A significant development has emerged regarding the families of those who died in the Air India flight AI-171 crash. Mike Andrews, the U.S. attorney representing several affected families, has expressed serious concern over delays in compensation, the emotional toll on the families, and crucial findings emerging from ongoing technical investigations. In his statement, Andrews said that every passing day has become an ordeal for the families who lost their loved ones. Citing an example, he mentioned a family in the UK whose sole breadwinner died in the crash. Due to financial distress, they were forced to move homes and their 3 children had to drop out of school. Speaking about the technical investigation, Andrews revealed that the legal team, in collaboration with aviation experts, is closely analyzing flight data, electrical systems, and other critical evidence. He highlighted reports indicating electrical system flickering before the crash, activation of emergency power, and deployment of the ram air turbine RAT, which could point to a major electrical or hydraulic failure. There are also concerns about possible water ingress into electronic components. He added that if India's Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau meets officials from the US National Transportation Safety Board in Washington, D.C., it would signal that significant findings have emerged in the investigation. Andrews noted that only a few families have received an interim compensation of 1 crore rupees so far. He also cited reports suggesting that some families are being approached to sign documents that could release Boeing, GE, and other companies from future legal liability. He stressed that lawyers have explicitly advised families not to sign any forms or documents under any circumstances.